Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be doing my at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0, which is this tool, and also I'll be doing my DIY TCA cross and chemical peel at the same time. So I'll be doing my 30 acne scars treatment procedure in this video in one seat. And this is how my face or my skin look after the procedure. Yeah, so if you want to watch it how I did it, so just keep on watching.
Clap. Go.
Alright, so first I exfoliate my skin using pumpkin enzyme mask. So I am going to apply the product all over my face, and then I will just leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Alright, so here I'm done washing my face with water, and I will now start with the procedure. So I will do my microneedling first, and then next is the TCA cross, and lastly the chemical peel. So when using the Banisher 2.0, I'm still doing the same thing. So I'm pressing it 5 times on each area, and I'm still using the same technique, which is I'm pressing it on my skin and then lift it up and then rotate 90 degrees and then press it again. Alright, here, so I'm done with the micro needling procedure. So I'm doing the TCA cross. I'm using toothpick as an applicator. And actually, I decided to just finish the procedure, the TCA cross and chemical peel off cam because I'm having hard time filming it. So here I am done with all of the procedures, and this is how my skin looks. So it's time for me to apply my aftercare products. So I'm still using the Banish serum, which is the vitamin C and E. And then next, I will also apply the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is a brightening moisturizer with alpha-arbutin, licorice, and vitamin C. So I applied a lot because I need to keep my skin moisturized, because I also did TCA cross and chemical peel aside from microneedling. And by the way, everyone, if you want to also try these products, the link is on the description box of this video, and you may use my discount code MARS for the Banish products to get a discount. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!